In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images on Squarespace. If you want to give your pages a polished professional feel, adding a background image to a section is a great place to start. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. Make sure you're in the admin dashboard so you can access the site editor without any distractions. From the main panel, click Website to open the page editing view. This takes you into the area where you can browse your pages and make visual changes to your layout and content. Next, click Edit to enter editing mode on the page you'd like to update. Navigate to the specific page if you're not already there. You'll see editable sections appear as you move your cursor around the page. Hover over the section where you want the background image and click Edit Section. Sections are the horizontal building blocks of your page, and each one has its own background settings, so be sure you've selected the exact section you want to change. In the section settings that open, select Background. This is where you control the visual layer behind your content, including images, colors, and other styles. Choose Image, and then click the plus icon to add a new background image. If you're uploading, aim for a large, high-quality file, around 2,000 to 3,000 pixels wide. Optimize for the web to keep your site fast. JPEGs are great for photos, while PNGs work well for simple graphics. Keep the file size as small as possible without sacrificing clarity to avoid slowing down your pages. You can choose an image in 3 ways. Upload a new file from your computer, select something you've already uploaded to your library, or browse stock images available in the platform. Whichever you choose, think about composition and contrast. A simple, uncluttered image helps your text remain readable. If you see a focal point control, set it so the most important part of your image stays visible across different screen sizes. Avoid placing critical details near the edges, since background images can crop on mobile. With the image in place, use the image effect options to add subtle styling and adjust background width to control how the image fills the section. Then fine-tune overlay opacity to create contrast between your text and the background. A slight dark or light overlay can dramatically improve legibility. If your text still feels hard to read, reduce image brightness with the overlay or simplify the image. Always preview on mobile and desktop to make sure the image crops nicely and your content remains clear. When you're happy with the result, click Save to commit your changes. Repeat these steps for any other sections where you want a background image, and review the page live to confirm everything looks consistent.